Today we're looking at a product I actually use all the time. It's an oven liner which you can actually use on induction hobs, and they're easy to clean, easy to cut. And this is what you want to do if you're just using it in the oven. You can just sling on your pizza like this. Withstands oven temperatures up to 260 Celsius or 500 Fahrenheit, and just sling it straight into the oven. Look, and on the base of the oven, this protects your oven as well. So you can use one at the bottom of your oven, and you can actually use one for cooking off. And they're very, very cheap and easy to use. So how easy is it to clean? Well, let's have a look and see how easy it is to clean. You can put it in a dishwasher, wash it under a sink. But this is the easiest one. Just chuck it in a dishwasher. Once it comes out, now it might be a bit wet, but needless to say, let's get them out. There it is. Just get off all that water. All you need now is a cloth and just wipe it off. And the back. Isn't that so easy? Such a protective thing, and for £4. You can buy these directly from Sainsbury's now, not sponsored with Sainsbury's. Look, and then just pop it back in the oven, and with a bit of heat in there, it'll dry itself. How cool is that? And if you're liking this type of content, please subscribe and please share, and we'll see you again very shortly on the Crazy Baker channel. Laters!